You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
We stay lit, all that. Little baby, what you call that? That's the red nose, shawty, you a dog, little. Touch the floor with your paws, little. We stay lit, all that. We stay lit, all that. We stay lit, all that. Little baby, we call that. That's we stay lit, all that. Little baby, what you call that? That's the red nose, shawty, you a dog, little. Touch the floor with your paws, little. Shake the fat on my boom. Little baby, what you call that? Shaking all off the wall, what you call that? Damn, little baby, what you call that? Yeah. Baby, come and get some cash. Little baby, that's a whole lot. Got me feeling like Steve Nash with a milk mustache. Mom MVP, yeah. Baby, why you taking 2 seats? Yeah. Don't clap your hands, baby, clap them cheeks. Yeah. Going crazy on the yeah. Keep dancing, happy feet.
This is a speech to all you Instagram girls thinking you're cute when you're twerking, okay? I don't want to say ask Julie everywhere. Do you, Jenny? No, just like Julie everywhere.
We stay lit, all that. Little baby, what you call that? That's the red nose, shawty, you a dog, little. Touch the floor with your paws, little. Shake the fat on my little. Little baby, what you call that? Shaking all off the wall, what you call that? Damn, little baby, what you call that? Girl, you look good when you bad at so. No, I look good when I'm back to cash out. Shawty from the hood and I'm back in the trash out. Talk that shit, I send you back to your dad's house. I'm a real nigga from the Tino. I got a bad little let me beat on the floor. I remember nights I used to sleep on the floor. Now to them days, I don't never wanna go back no more. Now my little bitch on my bitch and I'ma let her fuck off. Pull up in the new estate, I got a belly trucker. Got some rock on the shot like it came from this. Got 100 wild niggas that won't change from. How you doing? How you like it? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you a little something you might like to hear. You know I be with star niggas like Trippie Redd. And if I whip this out, girl, you giving me. We stay lit, all that. Little baby, what you call that? That's the red nose, shawty, you a dog, little. Touch the floor with your paws, little. Shake the fat on my little. Little baby, what you call that? Shaking all off the wall, what you call that? Damn, little baby, what you call that? Yeah.
You're in the mix with DJ D-Rock.
Outside, it's like show business.
We stay fly, no lie, and you know this. Hips and thighs, oh my, stay focused.
Ball game paper, I buy big cars. A-fly rides, it's a drive in my garage. Stay sky high, fly with the stars. G4 flights, 80 grand large. So we lean with it, pop with it. Vertical Jones, mean with the top missing. I'm sitting clean with the bottom kitted. I hopped out, saggy jeans and my rock glisten. But I spent about 8 grand, mommy on stage, doing the rain dance. She let it hit the floor, made it pop. Got my pedal to the floor, screaming, f*** the cops. We fly, no lie, you know this. Foreign rides, outside, it's like showbiz.
We stay fly, no lie, and you know this. Hips and thighs, oh my, stay focused.
Here tonight, could be gone tomorrow. So I speed through life like it's no tomorrow. 100 G's worth of ice on the Audemars. And we in the street life till they call alarm. I made the whip get naked while I switch gears, looking at the bracelet. Step out, show me what you all about. Flashbacks to last night of me balling out. 1 a.m. we was at the club. 2 a.m. 10 bottles of bug. And by 3 something I was thinking about grub. So I stumbled to the car, do the drinks and the drugs. Twisted, we fly, no lie, you know this. Foreign rides, outside, it's like showbiz.
We stay fly.
said she was a model for a year and a half. And if she took her pins out, then her hair dropped down to a calf. I knew a man, he was just up north and would've got left up north, but he was the chef up north. Anyway, I'm K.I. double. All I do is get dough, spit flows, try to stay out of trouble. If you ready, we can move. Just lose your man or hit the dance floor. I'll show you how to do my dance. Or I might let you play in the garden or sit up in that white thing and listen to the greatest of Marvin. The estate got 6 locations. Takes so long to get to the front once I miss probation. I hate to brag. I know your man really wouldn't like to, but he'd hate the. And yeah, here go a blank check, rock yourself out. But in the meantime, girl, knock yourself out.
Oh, you modeling, mom? Knock yourself out. Wanna let your hair down?
Go ahead.
Knock yourself out. Oh, you ready to move?
Let's go.
Knock yourself out. You wanna sit in the cool?
Come on.
Knock yourself out. Wanna keep on dancing? Wanna run in my mansion? Sit in VIP? But you just wanna be seen?
Yeah, now you can knock yourself out like you boxing yourself, or you can get real. And my watch got so many rocks. When you look at the time, it's sorta like you watching yourself. Front if you want, I puff a few and take a cruise in a Porsche with the trunk in the front. She had the Jocko Bergeron sandals. Told her hop in, the coupe blew her mind when she couldn't find the door handles. Attitude very high maintenance. Check this out, ma, I'm running out of my patience. Don't sleep with me, and don't speak with me, and never talk bad about digging to eat with me.
Modeling, mom? Knock yourself out. Wanna let your hair down?
Go ahead.
Knock yourself out. Oh, you ready to move?
Let's go.
Knock yourself out. You wanna sit in the cool?
Come on.
Knock yourself out. Wanna keep on dancing? Knock yourself out. Wanna run in my mansion? Sit in VIP? But you just wanna be seen?
Don't wanna sound full of myself a rude, but you ain't looking at no other dudes. Cause you love me. I'm sorry, baby. So you think about a chance. You find yourself trying to do my dance. Maybe cause you love me. So then we try. Singing a slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we last night. And I knew I wasn't bad and I was gonna tear your ass up. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just running. You know I want you. I'm ready to bet it on. Unless you don't care at all. But you know I want you. You should stop running, baby. Trying to be the best girlfriend you could be. Still you sneak and look at me. Girl, I love it. Then you give your other girl a shove. Tell her you gon' call her, ask how it was, and she's gon' love it. Whoa, yeah. So then we try. Singing a slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we last night. And I knew I wasn't bad and I was gon' tear your ass up. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just running. I'm ready to bet it on. Unless you don't care.
You're in the mix with DJ D.
cause you were looking for your friend. The one you let hit and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. Now you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again. Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then, and you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you going down when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you're thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only stand cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum. And you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails done by Koreans. Come again. Yo, win-win. Come again.
If I alarmed you, I don't mean to bother you. I just wanna get you to pause and slow your walk, so maybe we can talk and I can try to charm you. I'm just trying to find out who you are. I don't mean to come off like a telemarketer. I ain't no hood, no crook, no robber. I just want a part of your heart I can borrow sometimes. And maybe I can call you up sometimes. And maybe I can take you out sometimes. So let's exchange digits and later arrange visits, either your place or mine. Yeah, it's a different type of commitment. I'm talking about a true friendship. Someone I can depend on and be down no matter what. Let me know if you're with it, cause girl, it'll be fly. You want my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, give it a try. I could be yours and you could be mine, girl. I can't lie, it'll be fly. If you want my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, give it a try. I could be yours and you can be mine. Sorry if I come off disrespectful, or my convo is a little bit too sexual, but damn, it's incredible. Be more flexible, cause the context of this text is sexual. But wait, let me explain it. A buddy is an equal beneficial arrangement. A buddy is a buddy that don't be complaining when his or her buddy ain't the buddy that came with sometimes. And maybe I can call you up, and maybe I can take you out. So let's exchange digits and later arrange visits, either your place or mine. Yeah, it's a different type of commitment. I'm talking about a true friendship. Someone I can depend on if you're down no matter what. Let me know if you're with it, cause girl, it'll be fly. If you want my B-U-D-D-Y. Don't be shy, no, give it a try. Yeah, I could be yours and you can be mine, girl. I can't lie. It'll be fly. Yeah, if you want my B-U-D-D-Y. If you want my B-U-D-D-Y. Trying to say is the definition of a real buddy is yeah, oh, through the city with me. Together there's no limit to what. And once we in it, girl, it's all about. So baby, what you say?
Ain't fucking with no old friend, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Yeah. I see it in you. Just look at me and that's too bad. Pull up in the phone like sister. All up in your face, so.
You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
Ain't fucking with no old friend, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Ain't fucking with no old friend, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. Ain't fucking with no old friend, bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm bigger valley. with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley.
I'm sick. 100 in my family, yeah. Running up the engine for my family, huh? Wanna hop on jet, take off your fanny, huh? Who gets in my wrist and they can't stand me, huh? Coco on my Maybach like it's street meat. Shoot the 100 round and get your street sweet. Paddock on my wrist, this shit ain't cheap. Perky, y'all the addict, we want you gon' eat. If we got status in the bed and meet the grim reaps. Green line on limo with your bitch creepin'. He got the poppin' body, so I let the tech beat him. I put the knife up on my back, I get the M's and feed him.
Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like I'm Bigger Valley. Ain't fucking with no off-brand bitch. Ooh, don't think these niggas understand me. Ooh, she let me touch it in Miami. Ooh, I'm feeling like.
Don't tell me with this. I can't help here.
Robert.
You're killing me, man. This ain't not about music. I'm trying to have a relationship with my kids, and I can't do it. Y'all just don't want to believe the truth. You don't want to believe it.
At this point, we briefly pause the interview to give Kelly a moment.
Man, y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me. Y'all trying to kill me. Y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me with this. Y'all killing me with killing me, man. Trying to kill me. Killing me, man. Trying to kill me. You don't want to believe it. Trying to kill me. Killing me, man. Trying to kill me. I hope this camera keep going. Stupid party, fight for my life. Stupid party,
You're in the mix with DJ D-Rock.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, I don't usually do this, I don't usually do this, I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, I don't usually,
AMG 63s. I tell all my break it up, break it down, bag it up, 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 bag it up. I tell all my break it up, break it down, bag it up, 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 bag it up.
without ice. I want Ferragamo, I want ice. Super thick her thighs, super size. Super thick her thighs, super size. New Patek, alright, yeah, alright. New Patek, alright, yeah, alright. Super thick her thighs, super size. Super thick her thighs, super size.
Make her sing like Gwen Stefani. Look a little sweet at the Omni. And she bang red like me Romney. And she bringing company. She just wanna fuck on me. Fly on both economy. 18, bought my first chain, 65 racks. Run off on your favorite jeweler, I ain't going back. I start wearing diamonds cause these rappers make it whack. But I still got more water than a YMCA facts. Oh, you wanna be me, I'm flattered. Chopper make all of them scatter. With your bitch playing shoots and ladders. Inside the coupe, the pattern crazy. Look at the ceiling, see Saturn. Your goals, they really don't matter. Save all the chitter and chatter.
Ayy,
Lil' Bo,
I feel like Lil' Bo without ice. I want Ferragamo, I want ice. Super thick her thighs, super size. Super thick her thighs, super size. New Patek, alright, yeah, alright. New Patek, alright, yeah, alright. Super thick her thighs, super size. Super thick her thighs, super size.
Yeah, first I fucked the bit, then I brought my car, yeah. Even with the clouds, we still laying on the stars, yeah. Ain't used to being home, ain't seen my bedroom in a while. Never be out on the road, making figures, ask me how. All the years is straight to play, can't afford to fuck around. All the losses took the date, I deserve to bust down. Money piling show to show, getting hard for me to count. Yeah, pulled up in my slime, 666, that be the town. Yeah, catch me in the field, send me salsa in his palms. Gucci print on my shirt, it look different, hard to find. Walking out from the sacks with the fifth, I blow they mom. If it ever go to trial, already know I'll beat the time. Mom said I'll be great, take your blessings as a sign. Vacate the Mountie Coast, smoking Cuban, sipping fine. And the XO on my chain, 40 pointers on my lane. I said this shit was different, 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 shit was different.
Run that back, turbo.
Speed it up. DJ D.
Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Eat it up. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Speed it up. Speed it up. Scotty. Hottie. Scotty too hot. Charlie. Wally. Wally. Cheddar. Got it. Got cheddar. Ain't got it. Good. College. Good. Her frame. Body. Her frame. Musain. Body. Musain. My plane. Private. Private. Them chain. Wallet. No shame. I got it. I got it. Couple planes. Watches. Watches. I lay. Versace. Versace. The hay. Can't speed it up. Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Eat it up. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Speed it up.
Nigga, I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flick a wrist, bitch I'm lit, hit a lick, hit a lick. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flick a wrist, hit a lick, flick a wrist, flick a wrist. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flick a wrist, hit a lick, bitch I'm lit, I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, that's a gift, hit a lick, bitch I'm lit, I am G, I'm a motor with the flex. I am fucking Coca-Cola with the checks. Whip the motherfucking soda with the rest. I am motherfucking Yoda with the text. Ay, I don't mean to call a bitch, but she bad though. Facts though. I've been listening to Kermit with a tad. Mad girl. Flames fucking trapping at the back. Natural. Only chill bitches get my trap from. The bitches in the back, nigga. The whole place packed. Nigga, what you talking is whack. Nigga, I gave it to you. Nigga, I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Bitch, I'm lit, hit a lick. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Hit a lick, flicker wrist. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Hit a lick. Bitch, I'm lit. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, that's a gift. Hit a lick. Bitch, I'm lit. All I know is flex. All I know is fucking up a check. In a Porsche 911, sending selfies to my ex. No regret. Niggas gotta pay me my respect. I done spent a quarter ticket on some shit I might forget. My nigga Lowe's got the weight, Rose got the pay, coach anyway. Money made me feel emotionally. A nigga toasting away, boasting away. Nope, no delay. Need it now. Oh shit, the day. The bitches in the back, nigga. The whole place packed, nigga. What you talking is whack, nigga. I gave it to you, nigga. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Bitch, I'm lit, hit a lick. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Hit a lick, flicker wrist. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, flicker wrist. Hit a lick. Bitch, I'm lit. I am McDonald rich, 100 grand, that's a gift. Hit a lick. Bitch, I'm lit.
So you know, a lot of people trying to be like me, but you know, you just can't be like me. Ooh, Lil Pump, CB on the beat. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci bed sheets.
You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
A lot of people trying to be like me, but you know, you just can't be like me. Ooh, Lil Pump, CB on the beat. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci bed sheets. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Yeah. Everybody wanna be like Pump. Everybody got fake dreads and love to take drugs. Yeah. You this rich, you do whatever you want. Huh? Yes, I'm hella ignorant, I don't give a fuck. And everybody wanna be like Ye. Yeah. Everybody wanna go and smash Kim K. Ooh, yeah. You can talk shit about me every day, but I'm still rich at the end of the day. I take drugs like it's vitamin C. I'm a millionaire, but I don't know how to read. Nope, I'm a role model that these kids wanna be. Ooh. I just smashed a pregnant bitch that's overseas. Yeah. Walking around with my side bitch on a leash. I was 13 when I started sipping lean. Ooh. Ballin' so hard, I feel like I'm KD. Yeah. Wear 2 Bush styles even when I sleep. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci bed sheets. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, yeah. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy.
I'm me. So who you? You're not me. Everybody wanna be like 2 and grow like tune, no, I can see tycoon. And if the shoe fit, wear it. I can't if these not new, little nigga, please. Y'all my mini-me's, but the kid is not my son. Shout out Billie Jean. You following my lead, my chopper isn't clean. And Lil Pumpy got the pump, I got the M16. My pocket stuffy, they gon' need some antihistamine. Niggas always bit the C, the bitches never bit the D. I'm pouring out the facts, so tell your son relax. And she a catfish, and he a copycat. What the fuck though? Well, if you must know, I see these lookalikes, it's kinda sus though. Yerp. Young nigga from the hood with a plan. 1 foot in the street, 1 foot in the sand, 1 foot in the cleats, 1 foot in the vans, 1 foot in your ass, 1/4 of a Zan. Follow my footsteps, I give you instructions. Swallow, don't belch. You just drunk quintuplets on my 1 of 1 shit. I keep it 100. Boy, I talk my shit, then wipe my shit with hundreds. You can't stand like me, rich as fuck like me. Little black ass, nappy head nigga. Let me shout out India Irie. And ain't nothing like me. Mr. Dwayne Carter only got 1 ID. Yerp, I know that's right. You don't know that life. Stay in your own lane or make me bowl that strike. Yerp, everybody wanna be like me. But there's only 1 I in my E-Y-E.
Everybody wanna be like me. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like me. Bust down big chains and dress fancy. Ooh, everybody wanna be like me. Spent 2K last week on the white tee. Everybody wanna be like me. Drop 10K on my Gucci.
So she tired of little money, need a big boy. Pull up 20-inch blades like I'm Lil Troy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. All the housewives pulling up. I got a lot of toys. 720S pumping Fallout Boy. You was talking shit in the beginning. Back when I was feeling unforgiving. I know I picked you up to see me winning. See the igloo in my mouth and I be grinning. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandmama probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like that Dumbo, yeah. Cut the roof off like a nip tuck. Pull up to the house with some big butts. Turn the kitchen counter to a strip club. Me and Drake came for the. When I got guap, all of y'all disappear. Before I drop Sony, none of y'all really care. Now they always say congratulations to the kid. And this is not a 40, but I'm pouring out this shit. Used to have a lot, but I got more now. Made another hit, cause I got bored now. Always going for it, never pump 4th down. Last call, Hail Mary, Prescott, touchdown, hey. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. Yeah, your grandmama probably know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow.
From the Bay to Sacramento, all the way to SoCal. I'm a West Coast shorty with a bougie sound. And I love me a real one, forget the clowns. Fresh wax, Gucci gown with my mans in town. For the haters, you don't wanna f with me. You can never stunt on me. Used to do promo for the free. Now I only post for a fee. All my they prepared. All my partners with the so they just went and weird. Call them up. Way at them there. Man, I got them through whatever they was doing. No one cared. We the ones y'all wanna copy. I ain't close to everybody. And you know I'm hella busy. You should text and never call me. I need to change my number soon. And TNT make that arrangement. If it ain't about that money, it's a waste of conversation. All my people, yeah, we up now. All my people, yeah, we up now. All my people, yeah, we up now. Only way is up, we ain't going down. All my haters show me love now. We gon' run it up in the club now. All my people, yeah, we up now. Only way is up, we ain't going down.
I go on and on. Can't understand how I last so long. I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours. And it's cause I'm off of CC. And I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton said, you know this ain't free. I got girls that I should've made pay for it. Got girls that I should've made wait for it. I got girls that'll cancel a flight back home. Stay another day for it. You got attitude on nana, yo. On agua, and yo. Stomach on flat, and yo. On what's that? And yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You the only one I know could fit. Man, I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Or is this so good I shouldn't have to for free? Is it just me? Yeah, is it just me? Is this so good? I shouldn't have to. For free, I know you working day and night to get a college degree. Bet nobody that you've been with even know you're free, right? You know you only do that with me, right? Yeah, double checking on you. You know I never put the pressure on you. You know that you make your own mind up. You knew what it was when you signed up. Now you gotta run it up. I be out of words trying to sum it up. Girl, you throw it back like one love. Even let me slash on the tour bus. Yeah, I told her, but she don't do enough. Even though you in the hood, I'm still pulling up. Dip, straight to your doorstep. This a real thing, can you feel the force yet? I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this so good? So good, so good, so good, so good, so good, so good.
You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
Temptation, make you wait for we have a relation. Playboy, holla at me later. Don't you know I'm managed by a violator? I'm an exterminator. I look good, so hate me, hater. Me and my girls drinking, where's the waiter? Cheating guys already pledging. Ladies' night, don't suffocate us. If you touch us, be an altercation. One missy, use a personator. I got so much ice, I even scared Jacob.
Beyonce, MC Light and Free. Missy, put it down on the beat.
Party people is a good sensation. We gon' show you how to fight temptation.
I'm just fighting temptation. Gotta get full control. Yeah, it's very tempting when you ask to take me home. I know you want my love. I think the time is right. Oh yeah, when I'm ready.
Chain, getting paid over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. See my money maker, do my money maker. See my money maker, do my money maker. Everybody up in the everybody up in the
M-I-S-E, Missy be a freak. Sex so good, I can freak you in my sleep. Ice on my sleeve, I can make a room freeze. Pockets more bigger than a stripper booty cheeks. Lose weak when they look at my physique. French on my feet, cost $1.50. I don't swing from a pole, Missy swing from a tree. I'm Muhammad Ali, cause I can sting like a bee. What you know about that? So cute and fat. I let him hit it once, I about to do it, come back. Cause the back's so stacked, like it's sitting on the jack. Missy be the Mac, that's a true fact.
Chain, getting paid over here. Chain, getting paid over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. See my money maker, do my money maker. See my money maker, do my money maker. Everybody up in
You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I used to it. Brainy make it home like you used to it. I realize we could rule the world. I realize we could rule the
Fell in love with a real one, this a dedication. Had him patiently waiting for a revelation. Even when I ain't around, ain't no separation. Your skin smooth, your eyes brown, and you're far from basic. Then we go to different places with no suitcase. But when we come back, we got suitcases. Right now I use love for a medication. Back in the day, I shoot Cupid with no hesitation. I got more than 40 acres for my reparation. Be on my navigation, that's my destination. please don't never tell on me, baby. Never tell. That mean don't call 12 on me, baby. As long as the meal prepared for me, baby. The meals I prepare, I share with you, baby. Of course they gon' like it, look at it. Everybody ain't happy, they look happy.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home, I got used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home, I got used to it. Brainy make it home like you used to it. I realize we could roll around. I realize we could roll around.
Why don't we ride 4 deep, roll so far? We on E, she on E, she on me. Let's try that way. Okay. Shawty came in, walking like a model, shaped like a bottle. She know if she mess with me, it's gonna be trouble. I'ma bust that bubble, I'ma always love her. Mess up all the covers, yeah. Want me break it down like a folding chair. See me in the chain reactions, I got 40 pounds. Sorry, I ain't answered the phone, I was slapping you. Last night, ain't answer, I was pulling hair. Y'all know me, so low key. All this ice on, I got cold feet. My shorty bad, she a trophy. She like to lay on me and call me cozy. Yeah.
Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home, I got used to it. Brainy make it home like I'm used to it. Top down on the dime like I'm used to it. Brainy make it home, I got used to it. Brainy make it home like you used to it. I realize we could roll around. I realize we could roll
You're listening to Rock Radio with DJ D-Rock.
We'll chop it out one way or another. Yeah. One thing about love, they say it's blind.
Hey yo, let me tell you why you so special. Hood, bang the 45 special. With them, but we never tell a pressed out. Came on Alakazam pressed out. Still a playboy bunny on heft out. So we gotta get $1 like Creflo. He said that he want respect, I said that's dope. But that goes both ways like Dej-Lo. Left them other bitches with the stupid face. He said he tryna steal my heart, he got the booster face. I give him time that them other used to waste. He got that, he got that, he got that super bass.
Feelings, so deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do. It just won't stop, it go.
Let you in my life get a sneak peek. Listen to my heart go beep beep. When we boot up, she keep me out the streets. Hit it back to back, make me call her repeat. She locking up like it's robotic, yeah. On your body, your body, your body, yeah. I let you get the racks out my wallet, yeah. But she so bad, she say I got it, yeah. Ooh. And we always catching the vibe, ain't nobody like you.
Get me high like you do, yeah. boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, beady-da-do. It just won't stop, it go.
Hello?
What's that?
Babe, can you come and get me?
I'm outside.